Hello, scientists. Last week we learned about leaves. Did you collect some interesting leaves? This week, can we make a weather calendar? Do you have a calendar at home? Make sure to ask Mom or Dad if it's okay to use the calendar. What different types of weather do we know? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, and snowy. Look out the window or go outside and check the weather today. What picture will you draw on today? Your turn. Can you make a weather calendar? Can you draw the weather each day on your weather calendar? Let's try out the hour of code on Clever. First go to Clever, find code.org, and you can try any of the games. There's some new artificial intelligence games that are really fun. But it's your choice. I know you love Dance Party. There are lots of games to choose from. Let's try artificial intelligence. Oh, cool. I have to find the fish and identify the trash. So either fish or not fish. Can you find the fish? Okay, let's play. Is this a fish? Is this a fish? $17 billion pounds of plastic. Wow. Is this a fish? Oh no, I made a mistake. 80% of ocean pollution comes from land debris. Yuck. AI learns from your choices, even the wrong choices. This is a fun little game. Now let's see if AI knows what fish look like. We'll see if we trained him well. Did we do a good job in training him? So should we keep training him, or are we done? I think he needs more training.
I learned to program. I first learned how to make a green circle and a red square appear on the screen. You just learn these lessons, and there aren't that many of them, and you just eventually can get to the point where you can do almost anything that you want. Computer science is just learning how a computer works and how it thinks so that you can teach it to do new things. These days, what you can do in computer science is pretty much amazing. I think it's the closest thing we have to a superpower.
In the next hour, we're going to play a game that will teach you the basic concepts of programming. Usually programming is all in text, but we'll use Blockly, which uses visual blocks that you drag and drop to write programs. Under the hood, you're still creating code. To start off, we're going to build code for a program that will help this angry bird move through a maze to get to the evil pigs that stole its eggs. Blockly is split into three main parts. On the left is the bird's maze, where your program will run. The instructions for each level are written below the maze. This middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that the bird can understand. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program. If I drag the move block to our workspace and press run, what happens? The bird moves forward one box on the grid. And what if I want the bird to do something after the move forward on one box? I can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the turn right block, and I'll drag it underneath my move block until the yellow arrow appears. And then I'll drop it, and the two blocks will snap together. When I press run again, the bird will perform the commands that are stacked from top to bottom on our workspace. If you ever want to delete a block, just remove it from the stack and drag it to the trash can. After you've hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get the bird back to the start. Now let's get those pigs.
Okay, let's get those pigs. So we have to add the blocks. Drag or move a block and snap it below. Don't forget to read the directions in the box and above. And if you need to go back to the video, it's on the side. Let's move forward. Oh, we got him. Angry Birds was one of the first games made on code.org. It's a fun, easy one to start with, but you can choose other games as well. no. Something is not right. Let's try again. We got it. Alright, well you choose a game or play Angry Birds. Enjoy!